What's up, guys? How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to our daily trade recap. Today, I made 441. Traded a little bit in the morning, and then I think I stopped around 11 or 12, I think, and I came back toward the end of the day, make some more money again. 951 market structure flip bullish, so that was somewhere around here, somewhere in this range, and then we had a huge push back down, a little panic there. Nice buying area if you bought the double bottom around 56.30s. That's where I was buying it at, and we talked about that in our Discord chat too. So that played out pretty good, and then we had this huge move up, and then 10:30 market structure confirmed more bullishness, and that was in this range here. And as you can see, we moved up higher. Just keep buying the dip on that range there, and then 11:30 we got our first sell signal. I usually don't cover the YM sell signals, but if I remember correctly, ES actually did have a sell signal too, but it just didn't pop on the alerts. So that was over here, and then we had this huge move down. So that signal worked out beautifully. And then 1208, we had market structure flipping bearish, right? So that was around over here. Essentially, what that means is you want to short anytime we hit resistance. So I remember Billy actually alerted some plays there, and I was played with him, and it worked out really well. That 1208 market structure flipped bearish. We shorted the MOB, which was here, our big line here, and we took it down. And then we shorted again here, MOB short, took it down. And then 147 market structure flipped back to the bullish side. So what was that? That was somewhere around this range here. That was a pretty good flip too. That was this range, flip to the bullish side. Back test, move up, back test, moved up. But honestly, after 2 p.m., you don't want to trade that much because algos at work. And the last few days, algos has been heavy. Market makers has been extremely heavy in the market, manipulating a lot. You see all these wild moves here, like these up, down, up, down, up, down, these big wild moves. That is designed to break you mentally as a trader. And they kind of do these monkey style moves where it jump up and down so much that it essentially makes the traders go tilt, because some of these are just essentially stop loss hunts. And if you get tilted, you can blow up everything. So be very careful on days like this. And if you see like really exotic movements like that, sometimes better to just walk away, man. We got a little bit of that yesterday too, here and here. I remember getting stop hunt on that candle and the day before that. So I noticed the last few days we've been getting really bad with that. So just be very careful, guys. If you guys are trading, make sure you have your stop losses. Make sure you're practicing, good risk management so you don't blow up. Like even this end of the day, huge drop. This is before market close. It really breaks people. So let's clear this chart up. Let's figure out what's gonna happen tomorrow, where we think market is going. All right, so 10-minute time frame, looking pretty good. 10-minute back tested some support, pushed back up. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Looks all right, still bullish. 48-minute looks good. Back test the 50 moving average there, push back up, really strong there. As far as for now, we're still in the bullish territory. We could push up a little bit more, back test some more. I would always look for this area as a whole. So this smaller yellow line, I will always look for that to hold as we're above it. As long as we're above it, we're in bullish territory right now. If we lose it, let's say if we lose 56.20 tomorrow, then we could potentially go down more. 56.20 would be 55.90. Losing 55.90 could be 55.30s, right? But honestly, I could even say we can confidently draw a line here. As long as we're above this 5600 line, we're bullish. If we lose it at any given point in the day, we can potentially flip bearish. But we are very, very oversold on a lot of time frames. I mean, overbought. Oh, we were. We still are here. Yeah, that was a pretty strong move there. There was a little doji at the 390 moving average there, pushing up above it. So 5640 is now the new support. And then 5600 is the true support. That's our new like line in the sand, as I would like to call it. Yeah, daily is very extended though. Daily is extremely extended. But they reset the 195 today. So that's the good thing. Weekly still got some power. But that's it. I hope that helps. So in summary, we're bullish as long as we're over 5600. Good luck and have a great week.